Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to find hidden games on your Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to find your hidden games on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app and log into your account, as I have already logged into my Steam account over here. And after landing on this interface on your Steam account, in order to find your hidden games on your Steam, at the top left corner of the screen you can see a bunch of items or icons available for us over here where my mouse is hovering. Click on the view button, which is just beside the Steam over here. And when this menu appears, guys, you can see the hidden games option available for us just below the library. Click on hidden games and you land on this interface where all of your hidden games on your Steam account will be available for us over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to find your hidden games on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.